Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to get Sam's Club Business Credit Card. It's very simple things to do. For this, what you have to do first, open your browser from your PC. Now, search for Sam's. Apply for Sam's Club Credit Card. Now, you get from the search result, select this link from here. After click it, you will see it redirected to this page, and from here you'll see here how it works. You will get 2% for Plus members in Sam's cash on eligible in club purchases, and 3% with Sam's Club Mastercard. And you will see every details here. So what you have to do, just click on apply now, and now fill up your membership number, first name and last name, then click next and follow the prompts to apply for this card, and that's it. That's how you can apply for Sam's Club Business Credit Card. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips.